Hello everyone, welcome to this walkthrough video by Vizion Tools. Today we'll explore the Odoo Point of Sale module. This module is a versatile tool for managing payments, orders, and inventory. Whether we run a retail store, cafe, restaurant, or survey center, everything is managed in one simple system. Let's start by going to the point of sale. Here we see a list of our available POS sessions. Each session stands for a specific sales counter or outlet. We can create a new session or open an existing point of sale. Now, let's go to Configuration and then Settings. In Settings, we can create a new point of sale session by adding a name. For example, we'll name this session Vizion Tools Store. We can then set this as a bar, restaurant, or another type of store. After saving our changes, we can map all our payment methods here, like cash, customer accounts, or cards. We can also connect any needed hardware. For example, if we need a printer for receipts, we just click on Print, turn on the basic print receipt option, and enter the printer's IP address. After saving these settings, we go back to the dashboard. Back at the point of sale dashboard, we see our new store, Vizion Tools Register. We can quickly open the register and check the current inventory. If we want to add a product to an order, we just select the product and add it to the order. Next, we go to payment using the payment methods we set up, either cash or card. After we validate the payment, we can view the receipt. If we want to create another order, we just add an item and go to payment. After validating the payment, we can go back to the orders to see the new order. All the order details are easy to review. Thank you for joining this walkthrough. We hope this has made it easy to understand how to use the Odoo Point of Sale module.